Bitcoin future revealed by this shocking chart. Which chart? That's what we are going to show you in today's video, guys. So stay tuned till the end. As you see, guys, that daily candle here, it finished. As you see, today we started a new style of videos. We started making for you videos at this time because I am in Europe and at the right time for me to upload videos here in Europe. Now here, that red candle here, what is indicating? The Bitcoin here in daily, it's still sideways. Yes, in lower time frames, it's telling us there is a correction coming to where either it's going to be a correction or it's going to be sideways like how it's happened here before, exactly in that zone, till we're touching that uptrend or that up channel, maybe here. Then after that, we're going to go more higher. Me personally, I enter a short from here, from the peak of that candle here, and I'm still holding it. And I'm going to see what's going to happen. For us here, based on daily time frame, what we need to look at, we're looking at that red candle here, the one where I put that arrow. We put in there a line or a horizontal line in the top of it here and the lower of it because it's an inside bar, and no matter how long the price is, it inside the range of that candle, also we staying inside the range of that inside bar, so there is no long no short, unless if we breaking down here. So when a candle to come to do the same, like how me I draw that smaller square there like that, you need to catch a short. If a candle came and breaking above here, you need to catch a long. That's the only things I can tell you here in daily. What we got else here in daily? Here in daily we got a bearish divergence, guys. If you see that peak here, that the high of that one here, if you came and you connect it with that one here, and you draw in here a horizontal line from that peak here like that, you see it, guys, that one here, it's lower than that one here. But here in the chart, look at that one where it is and look at that one, and the RSI started dumping here. It telling us we got a bearish divergence here, indicating maybe the market is going to dump. I told you in 4 hours, in smaller time frames, all of them, the market telling us is going to dump. But here in daily, it's still a little bit early. And in daily, you need to follow that inside bar if you want to catch it early. If you want to enter a little bit late, that's when to enter more safe. You're waiting that uptrend here to get broke for you to catch along. I think I explained everything here. By the way, guys, before we continue it, if you are not subscriber, my friend, you see the button down here. It's written in it, subscribe, click at it, subscribe to our channel, and turn the bell to all to receive all latest updates of us. Next to it, as you see the thumbs up, click at it, give that video a like if it's possible. And if you want our daily swing trading long-term investment signals, down below you're going to find, or in the description of that video and in the first comment, you're going to find the link of our Patreon. As you see it here, click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You see that one here, see member option, click at it. It's going to open for you here. We have 3 membership options. We got the first one, that one here is it only for long term. That's when if you are interested for long term and you don't have time to be active as trader, you can join that one. That one here, it gives you all cryptocurrency service we have. That one here, VIP member. And that one here, the elite member, it gives you the cryptocurrency and the SP500 option plus long-term investment. So if you are interested, read the description of each and every one of them. When you choose that one you want, click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. Actually, it's a very easy steps. Just connect the app of Discord with Patreon and voila. But if you're facing any problem, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram, or you can even text me before you join and I'm going to explain to you more if you are interested, of course. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, here in daily we don't have nothing to say more than what I said. Now let's go in as every Sunday. Let's go in to see the on-chain analysis, what they're saying today, those indicators and those things. So let's go in there. We started by the first indicator and we go as every time. First indicator, guys, here is it that one here, stock flow. That one also being followed from the start of that channel, that more than 4 years together here in YouTube. As you see, guys, look at it here, the color, it started getting yellow like here, like here, like here. So what that indicating, guys, it's indicating the top of this halving cycle is very, very close. So you need to be careful, my friend. You need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. Based on technical analysis, we got a bearish divergence in daily 4 hours. I'm going to show it to you. And here stock flow, that one is an on-chain indicator. It's telling us we are very close to the top of this cycle. So you need to be careful a little bit. So I think I explained everything to you here. We got it here in a white background at stock flow. Let me show it to you. In the white background, guys, as you see it, you see here the color, it started changing to green, like here, like here, like here, and like here. What that indicating? It's indicating also we are very close to the top. Me, I said 130k, but we are very close. Actually, every time when the color it started changing from yellow to green, it push another push. And also we still wait until the color becomes very green like that. That is going to indicate for us that the top. We're still waiting. Even the down one, it hasn't become red for us to know that the top. So also we're still waiting that last push. The top here, based on stock flow, it's still very high. So also we are waiting, guys. We got another indicator. Let me show it to you. The other indicator, guys, is it that one here, but actually that one here, it's for all of them. They are together here in one. What it's telling you, that one is telling us it's not yet the top, because the top, when all the colors become like that yellow, not the top. Based on those indicators here, it's not yet the top. It's left for like more room, and also we are waiting what's going to happen in the coming days or coming months. But guys, remember one thing, that bull cycle is going to end up in the end of 2025, because a lot of people, they came to me, they told me 26, 27. No, my friend, it's only 4-year cycle. It's going to end in 2025. The end of it, that the end of this bull cycle. Remember those things, what I'm telling you? We got another indicator, guys, here. Let me show it to you. The other indicator, guys, is it that one here. As you see, that one here is telling us that the top, based on the previous cycles, all of them, look at it, when the color becomes green, is the top. Actually, you need to wait till the blue, but the previous cycle and this cycle, there is no blue, because Bitcoin those days doesn't got that volatility like how it used to be before. So based on here, and for you to be in the safe side, if you are one of those people they sit in, you are very close to the top, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. We got another on-chain indicator. Let me show it to you. That one here is very, very simple, guys. That one here is about the Bitcoin reserve. That one here, you see that blue one which is down here, when it came out from that green place here, indicating that the top, guys, look at it, when it came, every time when it came down here, that the top, and here now it started showing to us, maybe it's good to come out. That orange one here is very close to cross above the black one, and that even that one, another indicator here. I know a little bit complex here, but that one, it's indicating also we are very close. We got another on-chain indicator. Let me show it to you. The other indicator, guys, that one here also being show it to you a lot here in that channel. That one here is very close to touch that horizontal line. If you remember, and you've been one of the people, you've been with us for some time here. Also, we are very close to touch it here, but me, I'm not focused about that one. Me, I'm focused about that downtrend here. That one here, that's what me, I'm focused about. You see that downtrend here was started, guys. That one here, I'm focused about it here to be hit it, guys. That indicator, you can get it in trading view. His name pure multiple. You can add that there, and you add the downtrend there. When it be touched, guys, here, you need to be focused to take some of the profit. Now it's very close, but for me, and based on the history, it needs to touch at least 230, 210. At this time when also we're recording, is it 150 as you see it here. So maybe it's left for it more room to go more higher, but now it's coming a correction, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. I think I explained to you everything. I show you all the on-chain analysis. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. The Bitcoin here in 12 hours, it's breaking for us that 20 moving average here, as you see it, guys, here. That's why me I told you there is a correction coming to where no one knows, guys, but the last high is it here, exactly at 112. That means maybe it's going to fall down to touch here, that 50 moving average with blue here. Not possible, guys. If it's not, maybe that one just a fake out, but now also we're breaking below the 20 moving average. If we came here and we add the Bollinger Band like that, let me show you those things, what I'm talking about. As you see it, guys, the Bollinger Band, it touched the top of it, and now it's breaking the middle. The low of the Bollinger Band is at 116, and if you're looking here at the Bollinger Band, what it's giving you here, it's indicating there is a squeeze coming, guys. Either it's going to be to down or above, because that it doesn't telling you which direction it's telling you. There is no volume, but there is a squeeze coming, like how it's happened here, like how it's happened here, like how it's happened here. All those times it happened the same pattern, guys. Then we see a squeeze, the same thing now it's happened here. Let's see which direction is going to go. Also, no matter where it goes, also we're catching it. The levels, you need to look at them for today. Let me show it to you. levels we got here in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. We got that zone here at 115,997. We got that zone here 121,709, and we got that one here down 111,959. Today also we're going to catch no matter where is that Bitcoin going to go. If you want even you to catch it with us, you can join us, my friend. As I told you, the link of our Patreon is it down. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in 4 hours, that the op channel also we've been talking about. People have been with us here. They remember that op channel here. We talk about it a lot. We said either is going to do like how it happened here. That's meant to stay sideways there. It will touch in the lower of that op channel. And now also we are very close to touch it. Second scenario, what is it, guys? Market going to give us here a red candle and to break. Then also we're going to catch a short. Also we are ready for everything, not only for short, guys. For long, what we got here? For long, we got here like a small triangle like that, guys. And if it's breaking above, it's going to be here a pennant, and that is a continuation pattern. So also we are ready for everything, guys. Now what you can do, for long you came to the peaks of those ones here and you're drawing that a downtrend like that. For short, you waiting that uptrend here, that one, to be broke, guys. So as I show you, look at it, guys. For short, a red candle need to cross below here. That's when the market is going to that. For long, it's need to be a green candle to break above. Me personally, I enter a short from here and I'm still riding it. Now I take from it more than 50% profit here. And I'm still riding it. If it's going to fall down more, fair enough. Now stop losing it at the entry point and I'll let it to run more. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys, look at it here. The 20 moving average, he crossed below the 50 moving average here, indicating maybe the market is going to down. But look at the volume profile here. We are in a very stronger zone here, exactly where we are now, 117k. So even that one, we need to put it aside. If we're going to break it, we are going to fall down to 114. If it's not, from here, maybe we're going to break above. But now we got a very stronger zone above at 118, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is stuck here in that wall. Same thing as I show you in volume profile. We are in a very stronger zone. Shall we enter a short? Already we got a short. Said now, shall we enter a long? For long, we need to wait that one here. We broke for us, we can catch a long, or either that one here is going to enter to the zone where the bears, the control is going to enter to a bear market, and we're going to see that Bitcoin, maybe that 121k is the top. Even that one is possible. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today, because the Ethereum today, it's pumped a little bit. So let's go into analyze it together, guys. Here we are, guys. The Ethereum today, each pump, actually, look at it. It gives us here a new high, not a new all-time high, a new high only for that wave here. But here in 4 hours, there is nothing to analyze. We need to go to daily to see what is it there. Let me show you. There we are, guys. You see the Ethereum now, we touch here that very stronger zone here. As you see it, exactly at 3,700, and the top of it is it here at 4,000. What shall we do now? At this time, it's too dangerous to try to catch it, guys. Market is still pumping. It's too dangerous. The levels or zones, you need to look close at them here before we reach there. We got here that up channel like that, guys. You see that up channel, how it started from that one, and now we touch it here. So you need to be careful about that Ethereum, what it's going to do, guys, because it might to fall down to touch the lower of that up channel here. Even that one is possible. Levels or zones, you need to look close at them here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you. That the levels, guys, or zones, you need to look at them. We got that zone here, 4,102. That means the Ethereum is going to go to touch it now. But now look at that peak here, where it is now. That's why I told you need to be careful a little bit. Maybe it's going to fall down again to touch that 3,552 or 3,552. Another zone, which is down here, 3082 or 3,082. So those was the levels or zones. You need to look close at them here in the Ethereum. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's staying here at the extreme overbought area. Now we try to break the divergence downtrend here. Let's see if it's going to break it. That means the divergence will not be available anymore. So that's it here. And focus about that uptrend here. Focus about it very well, guys. If it's going to be broken here in the RSI, you can catch a shot. If you don't know what else we're talking about and you want only when else we enter, we're putting stop, lose, take profit on those things. I told you what to do, my friend. Go back to the start of the video. I will show you everything how to join us. And the link of our Patreon is it down. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are guys in the sol, same thing. The sol is it's stuck here in that very stronger zone here as you see it here. Plus now the sol is got here that uptrend here. Now it try to give us here like a price action, but it touched that zone first time. Now it's going back to touch it the second time. That means that zone is still stronger. Let's see how long it's going to take it to break it, guys. Because look at it the first time when we break in here, that the first, that the second, till the third time we break in. And now same thing here. It touched it the first time. Now it's going back to touch it again. Let's see if it's going to break it or to fall down again. Even that one it's possible. But the sol here, it's look a little bit weaker. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now we're going to see the sol what it's doing today in daily, guys. Here we are guys, in daily the sol, it's look very powerful, and look at that zone also we're talking about, that one here, and me I tell it to you, if it's breaking it's going to give you here a big double bottom here, and that indicating the bull market it came back again to that sol after spending some time here, bearish here. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. The zones or levels, you need to look close at them here in the sol. Let me show it to you. Levels or zones, guys, we got that zone here 195, we got that one here 218, and that one we break 171. Those was the three levels. You need to look at them, which one is going to be touched. You can take an action based on that. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the sol. Our indicator, guys, as you see, we got here a bearish divergence, very clear here in the sol. Should we enter a short? People there with me didn't know me, I don't enter based on indicators, and I don't use indicators, and I've been advised you thousands of times. Anyone he show you trading based on indicators, don't follow him, guys, but it's up to you. Follow anyone you want. Now here the sol got that uptrend like that, guys. You see it here in the RSI. Should you enter based on that uptrend? No, me personally, I'm still waiting here a price action for me to make a decision. So I think I explained everything to you here about the sol. Now let's go in to see the XRP or Ripple what it's doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the XRP, same thing. Look at it. It touched a very stronger zone. It tried to fall down. Now it's going back to touch it again. That man is going to do the same thing like how it happened here. Should we enter short now? Me, personally, I don't enter from levels or zones. I'm waiting a price action. Until now, we don't got one. The only thing we got here now, that very sharp uptrend. Until now, we haven't break it. So there is no short yet here in the XRP. By the way, a lot of people, they asking me, those altcoin guys, XRP, Ethereum, Sol, me, I don't enter in them day trading or short time frames. Me, I'll follow them only in 4 hours and above. I mean, me, if I'm going to enter, I enter only swing trading. There is no day trading in those coins. So if you are interested for swing trading, welcome. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the XRP what it's doing today in daily. Here we are, guys. The XRP, look at it. It touched that very stronger zone here. It gives us here a pin bar here in daily. Should we enter a short? If you're looking with me down here, the 100 moving average is very close to cross above the 200 moving average. That's a very good sign. Levels or zones, you need to look close at them here in the XRP. Let me show it to you. Those was the levels, guys. We got that level here, 3.99 set $4. We got that zone here, 3.40, and we got that one down here, 2.93. Those ones, the 3 zones or 3 levels, and also updating you every time if there is new zones, we're going to give it to you. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Based on our indicator, guys, we got here a bearish divergence. Look at it here, very clear bearish divergence. Should we enter based on bearish divergence? People there with me, they know me, I don't enter based on those things. I'm waiting here a price action, guys. The only thing, if you're looking with me here, that uptrend like that, guys, is getting broke here. That's indicating maybe the market is going to dump, but also we're waiting here a price action to confirm for us the dump is coming. Then also we're going to catch that short in the XRP. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Bitcoin here, it give you here a small price action here as you see it here. You can even come if you are very aggressive person and do it here like a triangle, but me, I don't do it like that. Me, I will do it like that. You see it? Now, if it's breaking above here, you can catch a long. If it's breaking down here, you can catch a short. Over here in that zone here, exactly here, 118,600 till 118,500. We got the 20 and the 50 moving average in 4 hours, which we break today, guys. So you need to be careful here. Look how many times it touched here first, that the second. And down here, look how many times it's being touched here. So you need to be careful, guys, if that market going to down from here. If it's breaking above here, you can catch a long, and also we're ready for everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Based on our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it stuck here all Saturday and Sunday? We don't day trade. We take it as a break because the market doesn't got volume or volatility. But today, we will catch in that wave of today exactly before the weekly candle close. If you want to join us, we told you what to do. So that's it for that video, guys. And if you like our content and you want to support us, please smash that like button and share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.